It's actually supposed to be look like a extension lashes. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This video guys is gonna be a lashes guys. I wanted to show you guys what I've been using. It's because I love lashes. I mean, I used to have a false lashes that I have to maintain it like every 2 weeks. That I used to get refill on my lashes. What I'm wearing right now guys is actually new day-to-day lash. I wear this 2 times already. This is the first one I wanted to show you guys is because it's amazing because they're so lightweight and you don't feel you have a pricking lashes. They do give you a beautiful full volume and super light. I'm not sure when they do release actually these lashes, but it's super nice. This one is the new one from Kiss. I really love this one guys. I'm gonna purchase this again. So super nice. Look how super thin. It's a perfect size. Some lashes is just super full. It doesn't actually look really good wearing it during day. This one is the other side of my eyes. It's also the same thing and it's just really pretty. We'll do the next lashes guys. So the next lashes guys we're using a feather lash. This is from Kiss as well too. It's a 5-piece set in one packaging. This is $11.99 or $11.59. It's between that. Honestly guys, this is my first time using this. I do like it, but I had to change what would my eyeshadow look. It's because they're very short. This one, it's more like a natural everyday lashes that you can wear with your natural eyeshadow look. That is the feather look lashes. How is very thin on the corner, but it is a very lightweight as well too. So if you are looking for something like a simple beautiful lash, you can go with this one. There are 5 pair in one packaging, so it really does save you money if you don't want to spend expensive lashes. The third lashes that I'm showing you guys is gonna be from Ardell. This is what it looked like. This one also come with 5 pair in one packaging. I'm actually wearing one of the set right here on my eyes right now. This is another beautiful lashes. Very natural guys. If you're looking for something natural, look for Ardell. There are similar look on Kiss, and that's the other side. I've been using these lashes for quite some times now. This is one also my favorite one. So if I looking for a natural portable lashes guys, I actually just go to Kiss and Ardell. So the fourth lashes that I'm going to show you guys, this one is from Ardell as well, and this is the new extension FX. This one is actually supposed to be look like a extension lashes. This is my first time trying these lashes and I wanted to make sure that I have my experience first before I can tell you guys. This is the packaging. This lash is actually another beautiful, it's a short lashes, and like I said, it's supposed to be look like extension lash. That's the other side. I really do like this one as well too. I did try to wear this the other day and just to see how I feel about these lashes, and I actually really like it. So this last lashes that I'm going to show you guys is a little bit volume. I have used this for years and years, and this is the one I buy all the time if I wanted to go out at night or if I want to go to a party or ladies night. But at the same times I don't want to be look like I have that, you know, too much on my eyes, especially false lashes, guys. It's really hard on your eyes if you have heavy feelings or something on your eyes is not comfortable. So make sure that you guys are actually wearing a right lashes for your eyes. This I always buy, as you guys can see. I use pretty much. I have the last one in here, and this one I've been using this for about 2 weeks now. So it's a little bit volume than the rest of the lashes that I showed you guys. This one, it's from Kiss, comes with 4 pair in one packaging, $10.99 in Ulta. You still get a natural look on these lashes even though it's full volume, and it's just perfect for the eyes. So there you go, guys, my 5 best summer natural look lashes that I showed you guys. This is just my advice from me because I have wear lashes for about years and years and years and years and years and years. I don't know how many years now I wear lashes, maybe 10 years, maybe longer than that. Make sure if you are new, check it out. This affordable lashes, start from the affordable lashes. If you are like me and you want to look like a natural eye look, then wear something like a very natural lashes every day, because Kisses and Ardell will never disappoint you guys. I tell you that already. I will promise you guys, this 2 different brand lashes will give you the satisfaction that you guys will love for the rest of your life wearing a false lashes. So they do have from lightweight to the heavy, and if you're looking for a natural shorter lashes, they do have as well too. So I hope you guys like this video, and I will have a part 2 on this video. It's gonna be a different brand with a little bit volume lashes that I will show you guys. So I'll see you guys later for the next video. Bye.